You're going to fail and going to fail and you're going to fail and then going to win. And that's life without those challenges. Its existence don't just exist, go live, eventually inaction will cost you. But your default setting should be, I'm going to do something, just get up, move towards that challenge and go attack it. Go do something that's hard, struggle sucks, depends on how you frame it. If you want freedom in your life, have to have discipline, move towards that challenge, whatever that challenge is. And you may be successful and you may not be successful, but you will be better. And the next challenge you're going to be more prepared for because we're going to have wins, we're going to have losses, we're to have successes, we're going to failures, we're going to have good nights, we're going to have bad nights, we're going to have good relationships, we're going to have bad relationships, we're going to have good ideas and bad, we're going to make money, we'll lose money, all these things are going to happen. And if you oscillate emotionally up and down drastically, it's going to be problematic. Embrace those emotions, but don't let those emotions embrace you. Keep pushing through things that suck. This is a very difficult thing to do because it hurts. I'm going to go forward, not going to quit, so I'm going go forward, bring it. Music on when you talk to people that went SEAL training that didn't make it, most of the time. It's some reason, there's a medical reason, there's a family problem. There's very few people that look at you and say, oh, I quit because it sucked, which is what happens to the vast majority of people. The vast majority of people that don't make it through SEAL training, they didn't make it through because they quit. Your excuses will destroy you and take everything that you ever wanted from you, if let them. When your excuses make you feel a little bit better about the fact that you didn't execute on what you needed to execute on, then they can make you feel better, but they're not helping you. They're not helping you at all. This went wrong, failed, didn't accomplish this. And it's not the fault of my boss. It's not the fault of girlfriend. It's not the fault of my parents. It's not the fault of weather. It's my fault. And I'm going to take ownership of it, and I'm going to fix it. That's what extreme ownership is, because when you look around at your life and you look around at your job and financial situation and your relationship, physical health, when you look at all those things and all the problems that you may have with those things, and you say, the reason I have all those problems is because of me, that can hurt. That can sting. And a lot of times our ego rejects that and makes excuses lies, then we don't have to change anything, and then nothing changes when the excuses all go away. And people can actually confront the fact that this is all because of me. It hurts, but is also unbelievably empowering because the more discipline you have in your life, the more freedom you will end up with. So if you lack the discipline to exercise and eat healthy, you will end up being a slave to disease. If you lack the discipline to work hard, save your money, you will end up a slave to finances. If you lack the discipline to manage your time correctly, you will end up with no free time. If you have self-discipline, if you have the discipline to save your money and work hard and invest your money properly, if you have the discipline to manage your time correctly and not waste a bunch of time, if you have the discipline to exercise and eat healthy, you will end up with freedom. And you're going to start progress in every aspect of your life. And you'll see that if you have kind of discipline right now, you're going to end up with freedom. If you have discipline, you will attain freedom. Go try and accomplish something that's hard. You may win, lose, may succeed, you may fail. I'll tell what you'll be better. And if you don't have that kind of discipline, and you don't work hard, and you don't exercise, and you don't apply yourself, you're going to end up shackled. So if you're in the woods and you don't know where to go, start walking. You got to start walking, because the perspective is not going to change. You have to start moving forward, but standing there lost and not doing anything is just waiting to die, waiting to starve death. Don't let that happen. I think it's really important because, as men, we don't get conflicting messages about emotion and how to express it and what that looks like. And there's a lot of men struggling right now. Every human faces challenges, and you don't know what they've been through. Suppressing them isn't going to help, and nor is letting them run your life because you're sad now going to make a bunch of bad decisions because you're sad. No, it doesn't work like that. Doesn't work like you're sad. Okay, you get emotional sometimes. Okay, got it. Now get control of your emotions and carry on with your life. And sometimes you're going to get hit with those waves, and that's okay. Oh, I'm having an emotional moment right now. There's something wrong with me. No, there's nothing wrong with you. There's nothing wrong with you. The other extreme is, oh, I'm letting my emotions run my life, and I'm making a bunch of bad decisions. And my excuse is, well, I lost some friends or had this traumatic experience happen to me. That's why I'm doing. That's just an excuse. And it's a very easy excuse. Guess what? It's time to carry on. Remember, don't dwell. I'm in control. This is my life. If you are in the problem, won't see the solution to problem, take a step back, detach from the chaos, from the mayhem, detach from your emotions, detach from your ego, and be able to assess the best way. Execute, that is the job of a leader, if you take any trait of a human being and you take it to an extreme masculine or feminine. Otherwise, you take it to an extreme. It's going to be a problem. Is it good to have no emotions whatsoever? No, that's called a sociopath. Is it good to let your emotions run your life and make decisions based on your emotions? No, that's not good either. What do we want to be as a human man? Want to be balanced. It's much easier to be extreme. It's much easier to say, oh, no emotions, cool, and turn them off. That's easier. Or a total emotion. Mayhem, that's easier. It's harder to find balance. It's harder to find balance in business. It's harder to find balance in life. Is hard to find balance, but you have to be balanced. Because what I want is for the team to win, so be balanced. You're going to be okay. Their lives. Waiting for the perfect moment. They wait for the right time, opportunity, the right person to come along and make everything better. But the truth is, there's no perfect moment. There is no right time. There is only now. The 1% understand this. They don't wait for life to happen. They make life happen. Take action. They create opportunities, make decisions, and they move forward. They understand that the only way to achieve their goals is to take action, keep moving, to keep striving no matter what. So I challenge you today, stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop waiting for the right opportunity, someone to give you permission, for someone to believe in you. The 1% don't wait. They create, take action, bet on themselves. They take risks, make sacrifices, and they keep moving forward no matter what, because they know that at the end of day, only thing that matters is whether or not they gave it their all. And here's something else. You need to know failure is part of the journey. 1% fail more than anyone else, because they're willing to try more than anyone. Else they don't see failure as the end. They see it as a lesson, an opportunity to grow, as a stepping stone on the path to success. They understand that every failure brings them one step closer to success. They embrace failure, learn from it, and they use to get better. You have the power to change your life. You have the power to become part of 1%, but it starts with your mindset, starts with the choices you make every single day. It starts with deciding that you are worthy of success, that you're capable of greatness, and that you will do whatever it takes to get there. Let me ask you this. What do you really want? What kind of life do you want to live? What kind of impact do you want to make? What kind of legacy do you want to leave behind? The 1% have a clear vision of what they want. Know they're working towards. They have goals, they have dreams, and they are willing to do whatever it takes to make them a reality. They don't let fear hold them back. They don't let doubt stop them. Don't let obstacles stand in their way. They have a vision, and they go after it with everything. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to stop settling. It's time to step up. Time to embrace the 1% mindset and start living the life you know are capable of. The journey won't be easy, but I promise you this, it will be worth. So get up, take action, and never ever give up. The 1% mindset is within your reach. The only question is, are you willing to go after it? The truth is, we are all born rich in potential, but to unlock that, you need to set a financial goal, focus on prosperity, and understand that you can earn more than you think. The power lies in changing your mindset, creating new habits, and developing the imagination to see the life you want to live. Start by thinking about earning money, not just about debt. When you change your focus, opportunities will start to show up. You don't have to settle for just surviving. The path to financial freedom begins with a new way of thinking and working towards your goals every day. You can have a 6-month runway or more, but it starts with the decision to think differently. The power lies in changing your mindset, creating new habits, and developing the imagination to see the life you want to live. Thanks for watching, my friend. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. Stay safe and see you in the next one.